This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity for beginners. First, you will need to open a new brokerage account, which typically takes about 10 minutes online. Next, fund your account. Fidelity allows you to start with as little as $0 for many accounts. Then, you can begin exploring the wide range of investment options available, including individual stocks, bonds, and a variety of mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. It's a straightforward process designed to help you start investing confidently. Opening your Fidelity account is the first step. You'll start by selecting the right account type for your goals, whether it's a standard brokerage account or a retirement account like an IRA. You will need to provide some basic personal information, including your Social Security number and address, for verification purposes. Finally, link your external bank account to enable seamless electronic transfers for funding your investments. This process is secure and typically takes just a few minutes to complete. Once your account is open, funding your investments is simple. The most common method is an electronic funds transfer from your linked bank account, which usually clears within 1 to 3 business days. For a disciplined approach, you can set up recurring deposits, perhaps $50 every 2 weeks, to automate your savings. Another convenient option is to set up a direct deposit from your paycheck directly into your Fidelity account, making investing effortless. Now for the exciting part, making your first investment. Fidelity offers extensive research tools to help you choose from thousands of stocks, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. Once you've decided, you can place an order directly through the platform, specifying the amount or number of shares. Remember to monitor your portfolio regularly, perhaps once a month, and make adjustments based on your financial goals and market conditions. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.